Thank you for watching Franko TV. I'm making a part 2 on this video. I did have a first original video that I did coming out to seeing this casket, but apparently I didn't have enough footage to put for YouTube. I need at least 15 minutes, so you guys could join me on the adventure there. That's the trail, and I am in an undisclosed area. I did report it. I don't know if it's still there or not, so I don't know. Let's go together to see what we will see, and hopefully it's still there. Let's go, because there's mosquitoes out here, and I'm starting to freeze because it's cold outside. Guys, let's go in. Damien wants to start making his YouTube videos.
Hello.
But I told him he could get a Canon for at least $35 for like just to start off.
No, I need a GoPro.
Or a GoPro. I'm gonna point the camera other way because I can't see where I'm going. All right. Just ate a fly, dude.
Second.
A bit of an open area here. See, this is how far this spot used to go before, but apparently it goes further now.
Got some slippers and stuff.
Oh, oh, oh! What was that? Was that you? Dude, that was weird. It sounded like mumbling. Look at that. There's like a lot of places in here
That we explored during the day.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Got me out here in Jurassic Park.
It's weird because it sounds like it's coming from in front of us too. Oh, sorry, Damien.
Sounds like it's coming from all around, really.
You know what? It does, to be honest. It actually really does sound like it's coming from around us. There's homeless people here. A lot of them. And
Damien ain't afraid of nobody.
And I have a busy schedule for the rest of this week as far as going to other places. So I have to make use of my time now to kind of get here. Hopefully I could upload this today. I'm at least trying to make this an 11-minute, maybe a 9-minute video. I don't want to make it.
Flashlight, so while you were recording, I could have had light for us.
I could have. Yeah, you're right. Good idea. Now we know next time. All right, here we go.
Oh, it's a good thing I wore pants.
It's a good thing I wore pants. Oh, it would have been
thought about wearing shorts.
Oh. Oh, there's stuff. Those are birds.
Oh, look at that marijuana plant.
All right.
Oh, this is a good thumbnail.
Almost there. No, the thumbnail has to be
the casket.
The casket, yeah. If it's still there.
Hopefully it is. I don't feel like doing this adventure for nothing.
Yeah. I didn't even expect to make another video coming in here. Oh.
Well, I mean, you should have got enough footage last time.
I didn't expect to find a casket. Oh my God. I thought that was somebody there. Here, you go in front of me. You start breaking this tree branches. Just run like you owe it money. No, not really, Damien. All I know, it's down here somewhere. Oh.
What, I scare you?
Who, me? No. We hear footsteps. You hear the footsteps? No, seriously. Moving. He's gonna mess with us. That's it. No, we will not have that.
Huh?
We will not have that. I don't want to fight. We need the safe. You can hear the footsteps out there.
Casket.
Okay, Damien. Alright, so when I left this thing, Damien, this thing was already open. Sorry, Damien. This thing was already open. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open it. Now, remember, I did already report this. It's still here. They know about it. I don't even think they checked it, but I definitely did leave it open, but now that it's closed. So Damien's gonna open it up. There's something inside I probably won't be able to show it, being said because of YouTube reasons. And yeah, I don't want to pull a Logan Paul. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Probably might, if anything, it'll be like bones or something.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, that is so yeah, that's not going up. I can't. That wasn't there last time, dude. I have a picture with this thing wide open. That's gotta be, they're toying with us. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so freaking creepy. Okay, so we're deciding to leave the site. We're not gonna, I don't want to open it up. I don't know what that was in there. I already reported it, but I don't want to go back in there again. And whatever we just saw, that was ridiculous.
No, there's no way I was actually opening it up.
Yeah, that's...
Looking at it through the crack was good enough for me.
But we're on our way out of here now. I hope you guys are satisfied, but that's too much.
What?
More weird noises, man. Let's go, let's get out of here. Yeah, that was too much. I didn't think I was gonna see that. Unless somebody's messing with us, Dames, but even then still, I don't, that's too much for me. I thought that was so creepy, man. And dude, I've worked jobs before where I messed, like, you know, we had to move people. Oh, look at this. Wait a second.
Oh, that's a bike mark.
That's a bike mark, yeah.
Now he's got to tie his shoe.
How do you run a bike through there?
I don't know.
So that being said, thank you for watching Franko TV. If you like what you saw, please leave a like and comment below for any questions or suggestions that you might have for me that I could fix, make better. Another thing is, check my Facebook out. You could also let me know there and comment. You could probably figure out my Facebook. It's just Frank Mendez, and you'll see the same picture that it is for Franko TV. This is Damien. He wants to start doing YouTube videos, so I'm
Check
kind
for
of
mine soon.
Yeah, not yet. Soon. He's working on it, but he's gonna be coming out. He's gonna be assisting me with some adventures as well. Guys, I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. Bye, guys.